go-to products, which I just used for the summertime for my go-to summer glam makeup, is the Murad Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45. Without this, my makeup is not staying on. Next, I am using the Estee Lauder's Double Wear in the shade Deep Amber. If you are a neutral girly, this is for you. Okay, look at that. It's so good. It goes on super well. And it stays on all day long. For blush, I like to mix my blushes. This is perfect for the summertime. I'm using Rare Beauty's liquid blushes in the shade Happy and Joy. These two right here, this combo is it, okay? It looks so good on dark skin. I just feel like a little Barbie doll when I put this on. This is literally my go-to for the summertime. You can never go wrong with a pink orange blush combo, especially as a dark skinned baddie. It's literally made for us. Now for a little razzle dazzle, I add her luminizer in the shade Transcend. Right there. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. I'm looking crazy. Don't worry, I will fix it. So now I'm gonna be adding bronzer to my face. I'm using the Say Sunmelt Dark Bronze. I don't know what Say had going on in the lab, but listen. They knew what they was doing with this bronzer, okay? Now this is my go-to summer look. So we want to be bronzed, okay? And it fixes my blush immediately. Now one of my tips for the summer time is to use bronzer and not contour, because you don't want it to be super harsh. You want to look like you had a really nice tan, that you spend your summer in Greece. You know what I mean? Like, you want to look really nice and warm, but not dark and gray, because that's not cute at all. If that's your thing, okay, sorry, you know, no shade, but that's just not my thing. Okay, now for concealer, because we want it to last, I'm gonna have to go in with Huda Beauty's Full Filter in the shade Maple Syrup. Now, I love different kinds of concealers, and this right here has not failed me yet. I'm going to immediately blend this out. Normally I don't, but that's like another tip that has really helped me this summer, is to immediately blend out my shade concealer and then let my brightening concealer dry down just a tad. You see, this is seamless. It becomes seamless. I told y'all, don't worry. The blush looked a little crazy, but we gotta trust the process. Now, one of my other go-tos for the summer is Estee Lauder's Double Wear. Her concealer, it does dry down really fast, so you have to work with it quickly. But I only use just a tad bit, because I'm not trying to be out here looking crazy, okay? All right, amen. I like to just work it literally in my inner corner. I don't drag it out, okay? Just work it right underneath these bags, boo. That's all you gotta do. See, that's it, just a little bit. But you have to make sure that it's blended, and you don't have this one random white spot, okay? Okay, now that we have all of our creams and liquids on, we're going to go into powders. I'm using the Juvia's Place. Y'all know how I feel about this one if you don't already. It's so good. It does what it needs to do. Love, love, love. But my go-to that I love to do is mixing up my loose powders instead of using a setting powder. It's the summertime, so you want the oil control to be as much as a minimum as possible, but without being cakey. So when I'm using a light colored blush, I like to use One Size Ultra Pink and Huda Beauty's Cinnamon Bun. This right here, this concoction, listen, I always tell y'all I will not steer you guys wrong, right? Please believe me. This concoction right here is the truth, okay? I love using it, and it works so nicely to set my under eye as well. It's so good. I do wish that the One Size was a little bit more fine, but it's okay. I really do love it. I'm gonna bring y'all in a tad bit closer again so y'all see. I like to put it all over my blush as well. Obviously, I am gonna set my blush, but I like to just put it all over because it has the pink in it as well. Put it on my nose, put it right here, anywhere that I can get oily. Don't put too much on your pan like I did because we're gonna have a whole lot left and we don't like products going to waste over here. Well, that's one of my go-tos. While that is doing what it needs to do, we're gonna go in with blush. I love this blush. You guys have seen it all over the interwebs, but it's such a great powder blush. And it's a Juvia's Place Volume 3 blush. Like, look at this. It's so beautiful. I love this. This is my go-to for the summertime because it just looks so good on dark skin. Now I know I use like a bright pink and an orange color. Don't worry. With this brightening, it works. Just trust the process. And it looks so good because of this part too. You can use the darker shade as well to continue to bronze your skin, right? Like, it just looks so good. And I just get like a fluffy brush, put some on my eyelids. All of the day. You don't need to do too much. And that's that. Another one of my go-tos for the summertime is using brown eyeliner instead of black. Brown eyeliner it just gives my face and like my whole makeup look a little bit more elevated, and I love it. So I'm using the Urban Decay's 24/7 inks in the shade Whiskey. I love a good liquid eyeliner. Do a cute little wing situation. And that's it. It's so cute. We're setting, we still have the powder, so we are going to remove the powder. To make sure that everything is blended, this is my last and final go-to for the summertime. It's the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the shade Deep Golden. If you are a black girl and you do not use this, like, I think I might have to take your black card because this right here is perfect. It's literally perfect. And it makes everything so smooth, so beautiful. It blends everything in together. Oh my gosh, I cannot say enough about this. Sephora low-key needs to pay me with how much I love this and how much I really promote this because it's that good. I know there's so many powders out there, but this right here is that girl. I promise you that. Now that everything is on, we're going to set the face. I'm just using Morphe's continuous spray. Ooh, child, I need a new one. Let that dry down. While that's drying down, put on some mascara. Okay, and for a really cute lip combo, I'm using Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in the shade Chocolate. And to top it off, I am using Spike Valentino's lipstick in the number 77A. If I can find the shade, I'll actually put it up down below. So make sure y'all check this description box for everything that I'm using. It's a beautiful coral shade. And that's it, y'all. This is my summer go-to glam with all of my faves. So comment down below which product is your fave or what you like about it. What would you change about it? You know, anything. If you guys want more tutorials like this, please drop it down below. And if you've come this far, add a lipstick emoji so I know that you watched the video all the way through. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.